everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your TD credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Once you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in www.tdcardservices.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this official web page. In the login area appearing on the display, go ahead and type in your username and your password associated with your credit card account. If you've not registered online with TD Bank, then you can click on this sign up link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts to register yourself to a new account. After you have an account, you can enter the username in the first text box. Make sure to type in the correct username that you created while registering and head over to the new field where it says password and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your username or your password, simply click on this recover username or password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After filling in all of the details, click login and you'll be able to log into your account for TD credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.